A little video for people having problems with their liquid cooling pump. You're hearing a noise. It sounds something like a psh, maybe like a pressure release or suction. So I sat here for a while and just watched the plate. It took a little bit. But what I noticed was this. Where this is feeding water in, it's creating a steady stream of bubbles. And the bubbles eventually, little by little, get sucked into the pump. And it creates some sort of a vortex in here or something, and it eventually ejects it, and you hear that psh, release sound. Now, the only way I've found to mitigate that problem is to keep the water level so high that it doesn't have an opportunity to create bubbles. So really you'd have to tilt the case even a little bit and add water until this thing is like completely full to stop yourself from having this problem. But I hope that helps somebody. Good luck. And quick little part 2 here. So what I did was I just tilted my whole computer, just tilted the whole thing, pushed it till it was just sitting like this. Put something under this side or something, tilted the whole thing so that this air pocket shifted just like that. And then I filled it all the way up to the top. And this last little bubble is just a residual of what was in there. Eventually that's gonna go, which it just did. And no more bubbles. No more suction problem. Hope that helps.